What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my beauty channel. It's me, Erick Glam, the beautiful, gorgeous, one and only, the gorgeous me. Okay, no. Guys, in this video, we will be getting unready. We will be taking this makeup off, and we will be getting ready to go to sleep. So, if you guys want to see how I remove all this makeup, what products I'll be using tonight, then you must keep on watching. But before we move on, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like me, also hit that bell button next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos that go up on my channel. And if you like me even more, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, uncles, sisters, boyfriends, lovers, moms, everyone you love. Okay, so to start off this video, guys, we will be using this amazing product. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Cleansing Oil, and this is for face and eyes. And guys, I live by this product. I mean, I've been using this product like no other. This product definitely takes all your makeup off, but without fully drying your face. A lot of the makeup removers that I've used in the past work, but they just make your face so dry. And if you have sensitive skin, oh Lord, you better pray to the gods that your skin will not break out and your skin will not come out as red as a salmon. So this product, guys, is just amazing. I love it. This removes all the impurities in your face. It actually breaks apart all the makeup particles, if you want to call them that, and just makes your face feel very soft. Obviously, you still have to follow with a moisturizer, a toner, and all that stuff, but this is a good way to get started. And you can start applying it on your face just like this. You don't have to worry about getting it wet or anything. You can apply it right and then massage it very gently until you feel that you've broken apart all the makeup, and then you just wipe it off. Okay, you guys, so now that you took off all the makeup, this is how your face looks like. It still looks a little bit rough. It is soft. It is not very drying like most makeup removers make you feel, but it still needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to be following this with my toner from IT Cosmetics, and this is the Miracle Water, which has anti-aging 3-in-1 tonic glow, skin brightening radiance booster, plus anti-aging treatment essence, and skin softening micellar cleanser. So I'm really excited to show you guys this one. I've been using this quite a bit and I absolutely love it. Just be sure that you guys don't put this near your mouth because this does taste like hell. Okay, guys, now that you've finished tonifying or putting the toner on your face, now we're going to follow with a fun mask. I love sheet mask. I use sheet mask all the time. So today we will be using a sheet mask that went viral on all social media platforms, and this is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. This mask is apparently really good for oxygenating and deep cleansing your face. It has a lot of green tea properties in here that apparently help you with detoxifying and also bringing antioxidants to your face. So we'll see how true that is. We're gonna have a little bit of fun and we're gonna put it on and see how it does. So we're gonna leave it on our face for at least 3 minutes. Then we're gonna remove it, we're gonna rinse, and bam, we're gonna finish it up with our lotion and we'll call it a day. Alright you guys, so this is what the mask looks after you wore it for at least 3 minutes. It's a little crazy. It started bubbling and it starts like tingling underneath your skin, but maybe that's a good thing. That's probably because it's lifting up all the impurities and all the yucky stuff you don't want in your pores. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna massage the remaining product on my face, massage it in circles, and then I'm gonna go rinse, apply my lotion, and go to bed. So keep on watching. Okay guys, and to wrap this up, we're just gonna end this up with my number 50 serum from IT Cosmetics, and this is an anti-aging collagen veil primer. I absolutely love this product, guys. It moisturizes your face perfectly and it just fits in your face very well after you use all these products. So let's put this on, guys, and call this a day. And well guys, this is it. I hope you guys had a little bit of fun watching this on Get Ready With Me, or Unready With Me, whatever you want to call it. Removing my makeup video. I had a little bit of fun using that sheet mask. I think it was pretty cool how it was bubbling and it did actually leave my face very smooth. Especially after putting the primer. Oh my god, my face feels like baby bud. That's how smooth it is. I mean, just look at it. Yes, baby. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, clicking the red button down there, and also click the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Fuck that shit. What's up, you guys?